Hey guys, how you doing? Hope your Monday's going alright. It's a bit of a crazy one here. My underling that normally runs the third machine while I run the other two is off today. He says he's got a migraine, but we're pretty sure he's watching the Super Bowl today. Hear that, Zachariah? We're on to you, mate. Nah, it's all good. Anyway, so I hope your Monday's going better than mine. Just thinking about what I can do to keep things moving forward. So I'm thinking about we might knock out one of the easiest things you can do in a stone factory, and that's a choppy. I can use that to then show you some other things in future episodes. So how about let's go do that? And there you have it. One of the easiest things you can make in the stone factory. A choppy. There you go guys, just a quick post there. Keep an eye out for Choppy in future episodes of Hood's Fishies. It'll be making an appearance. I've got a couple of planned posts with it. But I just thought I'd keep it a nice short one here, it's just so you can see a little bit of how we make something like that. Alright, cheers guys, thanks for your time. Click like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you for the next one. Catch you later.